Hello everyone friends, at the quarry today I will show you how to reinstall Discord. For this we will have to go to settings. Here click on applications, installed applications. And here we write Discord. That's where the Discord is. Click on the three dots and click delete. That's it. Well, or close the Discord. Yes, right click to exit. That's it. And right click on the open location shortcut. Yes, and delete it manually like this. Next, go to any browser, write Discord here. Click Download Discord. Download for Windows in my case. This is the installation file we have downloaded. We are opening it. And just follow the installation instructions. That's it. Well, after the installation is completed respectively, only open as an administrator, you can use Discord again. That's all. I was with you. Everyone, bye.